And we're back to learn CapCut in year day 51. Let me show you how you can animate the position. This is for example used to create these logo effects. So let me put a logo here on the clip. I'll make it as long as my clip. But usually you don't want to have the logo like this. You just want to have it basically move or swipe in from the left to center and then swipe out to the right. And you can achieve that just by animating the position. It's important to have the logo selected, so not the video clip, then go to video basic, position. We are at the start. I create a keyframe and I drag it out of frame. You can see that here X position has changed, Y position is still 0. Then move forward 2 seconds or something. And then I set the X position to 0 again, which is the center. It creates a keyframe automatically. You can also use a line to do that. So you can see it moves from left to right. I go forward like another 2 seconds, create a new keyframe, and then I move it out of frame to the right. Once again, Y position stays at 0. Only the X position has changed. What we have now is this typical move in and then move out. So we're halfway there, but we want to have the logo in center for like a second or something. So I move this keyframe over, which makes the move from left to center quicker. And let me go here and I create a new keyframe. And yet again, I set the position to 0 for X and Y. And now we have what we want. It swipes into the center, stays there, and then swipes out. So let me show you the animation yet again while I play it. Watch the position. 0 is always the center, where it stays static. And we've used the X-axis and animated it, so it swipes in and swipes out. And this is how you can animate the position in CapCut. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.